Hello everybody, I'm gonna show you class in JavaScript. Class will declare with the keyword function class name, suppose person, and its parameter start, end. Its parameter suppose first name, last name. We'll set this value into variable. This keyword that identify the class person. This dot first name will initialize first name. Last name we consider will call the class. So object person, that is the constructor, and will set value as parameter John Smith. And to make instance of the class we need new keyword. Object has been created. Console.log object. We're gonna test first name, last name, and see suppose first name. By getting first name. Now, how will we declare a function in this class? We know function suppose name full name or return first name and last name. Object dot method name full name. There will this work? Showing error. Full name is not a function. So in this way we cannot declare a method in the JavaScript class. So we need a property this and its name full name 12 function. Full name suppose that will show all the declaration value. Function. So we need to call our method we got full name John Smith. Thanks for watching this tutorial.